We were pretty excited to be driving to Death Valley, not just because of the warm weather, but because it's a land of the extremes. It's like the hottest, driest, and lowest place in North America. That's a lot of extremes for one place. All right, so now at this point here, we're down at Badwater Basin. This is actually the lowest point in Death Valley, and in fact the lowest point in North America. It's 282 feet below sea level, and again, Death Valley as a whole is the lowest, hottest, and driest location in North America. Hey, we're here at the Devil's Golf Course, which is basically a giant salt flat. The difference is, unlike other salt flats, this particular area is very eroded with both wind and water, creating an extremely jagged and rough surface. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. Walking around on the salt is pretty unique and interesting. And what's more interesting than the surface is the fact that it extends down over 1,000 feet below our feet. Hey, this is for Caden and Hunter. You guys are wondering why they call this Death Valley. There are two main reasons. The first was it's so hot and dry here that early gold rush travelers and immigrants basically found it too hard to survive and referred to it as Death Valley. The other reason is that the water sources that they found here in the beginning were all too salty to drink. So those two reasons were why they called it Death Valley. All right, that wraps up our stay here in Death Valley. We're on the road again, so we'll catch up with you at our next stop. See you there.